Cleaning up the mess, a deep dive into meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and widely used English phrase, cleaning up the mess. Whether you've come across this phrase in movies, books, or everyday conversations, understanding its nuances can enhance your English comprehension and expression. So, let's dive into the details and discover what this phrase truly entails. Cleaning up the mess literally refers to the act of tidying up or organizing a space that has been disordered or made untidy. This could involve picking up items off the floor, wiping spills, or putting things back where they belong. It's a straightforward task that aims at restoring cleanliness and order. However, cleaning up the mess is often used in a figurative sense. This means addressing and resolving problems or complications that have been caused by previous actions or neglect. It's about taking responsibility to fix issues that may not be physical messes but are tangled situations in life, work, relationships, or societal matters. To illustrate, let's look at some examples. Workplace. After the previous project manager left, we've been cleaning up the mess left behind, trying to meet the deadlines. Personal life. He's been cleaning up his mess after realizing how his actions hurt his friends. Societal issues. Volunteers are cleaning up the mess in the community, helping those affected by the recent events. These examples show how versatile and applicable the phrase is across different scenarios. For English learners, incorporating phrases like cleaning up the mess into your vocabulary can make your language richer and more natural. Here are some tips. Listen for context when you hear the phrase used. Is it literal or figurative? Practice using it in both senses to familiarize yourself with its versatility. Remember, using such phrases can add depth to your conversations and writings. We hope this exploration of cleaning up the mess has been enlightening. Understanding both the literal and figurative uses of this phrase can add a valuable layer to your English communication skills. So, the next time you come across a messy situation, whether it's tidying up a room or solving a complex problem, you'll have the perfect phrase to describe your actions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful insights in our future videos.